Hey everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. Hope you're having an amazing day. Just wanted to show off a new trade-in. Very rare truck, especially with all the options that it has, which we'll get to. It's a 2022 2500 Ram turbo diesel, Cummins turbo diesel I should say. Laramie Night Edition. It was like a 19-word title, but fully loaded truck. 360 camera up front, so you have a camera under each mirror. You can kind of see a little bulge underneath the vertice there of the mirror. There's a camera up front, so that's a camera there. So there's one under each mirror, one up front right under the A in the Ram sign, and then one on the tailgate that stitched together give you a 360 bird's eye view of everything around your truck. Very, very neat. Parking sensors across the front, and then of course you're going to have your adaptive cruise control and your lane departure systems all up here as well too. Some of the safety features that it has. Very well protected truck. You have the LED headlights. Previous owner did put PPF on it as well too, so there is a PPF on the hood about 18 inches up. LED lights are so bright and so crystal clear, just like, you know, if you had a 16 Ram or a 17 Ram and you had the normal stock headlights, world difference. 20-inch rims on the Night Appearance group, and then of course with the Night Appearance group you get black badging, black headlights, black grille, black rims, black running boards. Ties really well with the granite crystal metallic color. Very unique color combination as well too. And then of course your Ram box, on the side here. Good for storing some stuff. Looks like the winter front is in here, which, you know, you go over all that in the orientation when you want to use that. Kick down steps, get the bed utility group. So kick down step makes it easy in and out of the box. Easy open tailgate. You can do that from your key fob as well as a button in the dash. And then with the Ram box, you get the 4-foot wide box. But you do get that, there's a little cargo divider in there. Turn the light on as well too. So you get some lights in there as well. It turns all 3 lights on. That box you can, that divider you can adjust off, 2 feet up, 3 feet up, whatever you want. Makes the versatility of the box quite a bit higher. Do have blind spot monitoring as well. So on the mirrors, if somebody's in your blind spot, there's radar in your taillights that'll let you know when someone's there. It'll glow amber in your mirror. And then if you were to start to merge and it was amber and you didn't notice, you can engage a setting that'll chime. And then if you're hooked up to a trailer, it'll actually monitor the blind spots for your trailer as well too. So if you're on the highway and you want to make sure it's safe to merge with your trailer, it's like 36 feet. It'll glow amber if someone's in your spot, and as soon as it goes out, you know you've cleared, and you can merge in front of them. Back here, you get the crew cab, so lots of space back here. You got 3 seats in the back. Car seat easily fits in the middle. You can put 3 car seats in there as anchors for all 3, and of course you have your 60-40 split, and then your photo tray to make it flat floor, and then of course your Ram bins underneath to store some odds and ends, gloves, tie straps, that kind of a thing. Flip up tow mirrors as well. So if you're towing a boat or trailer, very handy to have. Take a look inside. Very well finished. The Laramie's got a combination leather and suede seat for this generation of truck. So kind of all the points that would wear, it's got the suede, give it a little more flexibility, and it's not as cold. 4x4 of course as well too. 12-inch touchscreen, get the new Connect 5 system. Exhaust brake with the Cummins, very, very handy to have. Wireless charge pad. It has everything. Sunroof, Sirius XM, Guardian, wireless Apple CarPlay. We got a digital rear view mirror as well too, so the brake light above your rear window there act as your camera, and then it'll display the image here. Or you can just make it a normal rear view mirror as well. Heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel, of course. Tons and tons of options, lots of functionality. Come down, take a look at it. I doubt this truck is going to see mid-month here, so give me a shout out myself, 780-952-3018. We'll talk to you soon.